I don't know whether it's because we are cowards. Some of us are busy getting money with our own things. So much that Jesus doesn't have space in us. There is no more time to waste. We must go into the community, into our communities, and tell them that Jesus is coming, so that men are going to be baptized. But it's disheartening as a church. We are still seated not minding about this commission. We do not care about Jesus. We do not care about the commission. This morning, what is it that comes to you this morning? Thinking about the water that is in the well. I'm still worried keeping it, doing whatever I want to do. Some of us are coming from Zimbabwe. The community that was hunting here, they were now different. There was now unity. When her gospel reached the community, there was a change in the community. Have you reached the community? What is it that you've done in Parati? What is it that is known about you? You talk a lot about even when somebody has a problem, they don't even come to you. There is nothing else that is known about you. What has been said? And they preach the word of God.